In this video, I take a bus ride from Tallinn, Estonia to Riga, Latvia, and I'll show you what you should expect to know if you plan on taking this bus ride. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the Tallinn bus station.
Never lost roamer with Phil Ernest.
Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to know if you plan on traveling by bus from Tallinn to Riga. And the bus line I'm traveling on today is Luxexpress, at Luxexpress actually, and let me show you this bus station just to give you an overall familiarity with it, so when you get here, you'll be ready to go. This is a nice little station. You come through those doors right there from outside. They do have ticket counters here. They don't open until 7:30. I bought my tickets online. I'll leave the link to that address to how to get that. Here's the hours for the ticket office window. If you feel more comfortable buying them here, you can do that. They also have a little kiosk here as well. I don't know if this is, let me see if this is just for this. It might be just for this company here. It suits this bus station, suits about 3 or 4 different lines of buses. The one I'm doing today is Luxexpress. They have a reader board here with all of the times that they're leaving at. The bus that I'll be on will be the 9 o'clock, arriving at 1:25 in Riga, and it shows you the whole thing with the bus line, the platform number, and the bus right there. So let me go out and show you what these buses look like here. And then the platforms. So this is the Luxexpress I'll be riding on. And look, they got it all lined up there. It's a nice, big, comfortable, air-conditioned bus. I'll be showing you more of that as I get onto it. And this is the places where it travels to. Look at, they go to Moscow, Riga, Warsaw, Helsinki, all these places that this bus line goes to. So that's really good. St. Petersburg. Wow, so this is pretty in-depth bus line here that'll take you to those places. So that's really comforting to know. And these are the platform lines here. You could wait out here or wait inside. And it shows what time the bus is leaving at. Let me go and show you a little bit more inside of this waiting area. Another point worth mentioning, you can buy your ticket online or you can get it here at the station. I'll leave the link to the website in the description below. Here's the waiting area here, look. They got little drinks. Little snack bar here. Air-conditioned little place, and then if you come hungry, there's a little bit of snacks. Not a lot of stuff here, but something to at least get you by. And a little place to sit. And the waiting room right here. Here's the hot food right here. Open up from 7:30 to 10 o'clock at night, and they just opened right now, 7:30. And this is where they serve you some hot food, or let's see. Okay, you can get some drinks here. There's some hash browns, bacon. This bus station also has some lockers here. You can get, they have ATMs. They do have restrooms. The downside of them is they do charge €0.40. So this is what the bus looks like on board. Pretty nice. And they have a little restroom here. Nice looking restroom. Let me show you the restroom. You can look at flushable toilets, wash your hands up. So good bus, and this is what the whole thing looks like here. Comfortable, nice, air-conditioned bus to ride on. So let's see how it goes. And you can put your overhead luggage here as well. So they have movies that you could see here, and with different languages. Choose your language. For example, up here, choose English, and then you could choose movies. So pretty good, luck, just like an airplane. And you just check here, and then different various titles of whatever your movie pleasure may be right there. Look, see? So settle in, buckle up, and enjoy your ride and watch a movie. If movie watching isn't your thing, you can also track your bus trip on the monitor. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I'm well on my way into this bus ride that'll last me a little over 4 hours. Beautiful green countryside, both Estonia and Latvia, that you'll enjoy along the way. The price for this one-way bus ticket on Luxexpress is 21 euros. They do have another bus called the Lux Lounge that'll cost you 28 euros. And if you're interested in other places and times and trips that Luxexpress travels to, I will leave in the description below the Luxexpress website. You are looking at the Parno River. As we cross over this river, we're about 45 minutes now from the border of Latvia. The good thing about the border crossover is the borders in Europe are open, so you can go from one country to the next without having to get out and hassle and show your passport or anything. In fact, this is the border crossing right now as we go through it, leaving Estonia, and now we are officially going into Latvia. That's the new border right there. I'm going to show you the old border crossing that they used to have before, and this is the old border crossing right there. Anyways, we're now officially in Latvia. As soon as I crossed over to Latvia, I couldn't help but notice that Latvia is using wind energy, so that's pretty neat to know. One other thing I did want to let you know, since this is a Luxexpress, this bus does not stop for any restroom breaks or anything, so if you want snacks or munchies, be sure to bring them along. So after traveling over 300 kilometers in about 4 hours, you know you're getting close to the Riga bus terminal when you can see that structure there in the background that looks like the Eiffel Tower. Next up, the Riga bus station. And this is what the Riga bus station looks like. Just giving you a little view here so you can see, have an idea what this bus station, all the buses that come in here. Then you can go in here and they sell a lot of different bus tickets to a lot of different lines going to different places. So there's like the Luxexpress right there, the one I just came on. There's a ticket office, and then Echo lines taking you other places, and then Lat lines also sells for Flexbus. So this is just a general look. They got lockers here, restrooms here, and overall look at this place in case you plan on leaving from this station going to Tallinn. And here's what this is like. Okay, so now you've seen both bus terminals from end to end, along with the bus ride itself. There's one other little hot tip I want to fill you in on. When you pull into the bus terminal, see those 3 big buildings right there? That is where the locals go and shop, so you can get some really good deals there on food and other things if you're interested. So sometimes people exit the bus station, immediately cross the street and go into Old Town and not even know that that place exists. So I just don't want you to miss out on it. On my next video, I'll go into detail on what the old classic town of Riga has to offer. If you'd like to see my other travel videos, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.
Never lost roamer with filler.